Try and get as much snow off of it as you can. You're going to be in a hurry with the weather coming in on you. But where your main core is and where your head and that's going to be, where you want the most. On my last sweep, I didn't find anything else that could be of use to me. So now, up off of the snow, keep yourself tight from your thighs to your chest. That's where most of your heat's going to escape. So you want to tuck up and stay nice if you have to wait it out. If you don't get a break, again, you're going to be thinking about fire, and you're going to be thinking about proofing this from the weather more. But if you get caught in a severe squall and you have to wait it out with minimal supplies, this is the way to do it right here.